Hello everybody, I'm Colin Way. You join me here at Axminster Tools and Machinery's main hub in the heart of the Devon countryside. Today I want to introduce you to the first member of the Evolution family, the SK114 wood-turning chuck. These chucks have been designed, engineered and made right here in our innovation and manufacturing facility. In fact, the whole Evolution series was born from a desire to create the best wood-turning accessories possible.
Okay, so let's have a look at what goes into the manufacturing of these fantastic chucks.
Firstly, the lathe is loaded with stainless steel billets. The CNC lathe machines both sides of the chuck in one process. After the lathe, they're cleaned, boxed and moved on to the mill for the next stage. The chucks are measured down to the nearest micron using this coordinate measuring machine. The chuck bodies move to the next machine to have their slots milled in. The pinions and scrolls are rumbled with thousands of ceramic chips for 4 hours before and after heat treatment. Using the laser marking machine, the chucks are now finished. These are the seed jewels fresh off the lathe, ready for splitting. So there we are, the SK114, the first chuck in the Evolution range. Machined out of one piece of stainless steel for greater accuracy. It means we don't have to add a coating, so no tolerances are allowed for that. No rusting issues because it's stainless. 3 pinions which help add for strength and accuracy. The back is nice and flush so we can get right up to the headstock of the lathe, protecting those bearings of the machine. A large selection of stainless steel jewels also available. Really suited to the bigger project, but equally at home for those smaller projects. I honestly think this chuck is breaking new ground in wood turning world.